Yeah.
Your first haircut?
Yeah.
Like a big girl?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Are you so excited? Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Okay, get your hair wet. Oh. Oh. It's so funny. Oh, it's so funny.
Is this your first haircut ever, Jaden?
To be a big girl. I can brush. I can brush. I can brush. Did I get you in the face?
Yeah, she's rubbing her.
Do you like it?
A baby.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty.
A baby.
Oh, it's
A
gonna be
baby,
pretty.
Dada.
You're so pretty, baby.
A baby, Dada.
You're so pretty, babies.
A baby, Mama.
I know you're pretty.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Do you want to come talk to me about what you want to do here?
Jane, sit down, princess. It's time for your haircut.
Careful.
Again.
I don't know, just like,
What?
what's that? Careful, Luffa. Careful.
Excited?
You excited?
Yeah.
I just
I don't know
like,
that this is going to work.
oh, it's too high.
The very best thing would probably be to sit her in her chair.
This?
Mm-hmm.
What about her stool?
Or her stool. Let's put your stool instead of this chair. Mommy gonna get your stool. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. I think that'll be better.
Where are you going? There it is. Okay, come back, princess.
I'm just thinking, like, just to clean it up, like, give it.
Sit. Look at Mommy and Daddy. And sit your little bottom.
Sit down.
Just
There
so
you
that it
go.
looks neater, but not necessarily taking off a lot of length or anything.
A baby.
You are pretty. You're gonna be pretty with or
A
without a
baby,
haircut.
Dada.
So pretty, babies.
A
Baby.
baby, Mama.
You're so pretty. You are. Love your blonde hair.
Baby.
You're gonna get your first haircut.
Oh, your Auntie Nina, that's so special.
She's gonna trim you up, okay?
What's that?
It's just comb. Pink comb.
Hey.
Pink comb.
Hey.
Yeah. All right. Okay. You excited? Okay.
Hold still, okay?
Try and sit still for your Nina.
Yeah.
Oh, you're sitting on your stool.
Yeah.
Okay, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Be very still.
What, Dada?
Look at Daddy.
What, Mama?
Mama's looking.
We come look at this guy. Like all those wispies. Yeah. And then when we come around here,
Perfect. Just give Katrina a creative license.